Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Fits double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size. Faceplate opening is 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the dash kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. For 40 years, SCOSCHE has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring dash kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a SCOSCHE installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. Top reviews from the United States. 2004 Ford F-150 verified. This is an absolute must-have when upgrading your OEM radio. I was able to match each corresponding connector color for color. This product is definitely a time saver.